Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our 8.8-inch screen in a 2018 Audi Q3. So this Audi Q3 didn't come with backup camera and also no navigation. It came with a small tiny factory screen. That's the factory screen. And right now we put our 8.8-inch screen, and I'm on main menu right now. This is the Aftermarket main menu. You can scroll on this menu by clicking on Audi. You can go to the main menu, and also touching the screen it goes back to the Aftermarket. That's the easy connect to do mirror link. Navigation is here. This is offline map. By going to reverse, that's the backup camera with dynamic parking guideline. And also we can exit from navigation, and apps are here: YouTube, Google Maps. You can download Waze or any other apps you want. And also media is here. We add one USB in the glove box. Actually for this specific vehicle, as customer asked us, we run the USB down here, so you can play music and video to this screen. If you're interested to get this type of Android screens, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.